Hi there. I'd like to welcome you back to Zoom. I really miss doing the Zoom talks, but today is particularly allergic, and that's what I want to talk about. Spring is springing, and with spring come the molds that were under the leaves that are coming up, the pollens, the funguses, everything is in the air. And if you live where I am in the Mid-Hudson Valley, you know allergies. And over more than 30 years, actually close to 40, I've been treating clients for allergies using herbal tonics and acupuncture. And I'd like to give you a few hints as to what you might do to nip it in the bud, so to speak. So we are really at the beginning of the season. My clientele is booming with people having nasal congestion and sneezing, itchy eyes, and all that allergy symptomatology. So the first thing I'd like to share is a tonic. And we've just re-released it, and it's called Allergies. And I'm going to hold it up. So this is our Allergies Tonic. It's new and improved. It is a combination of Eastern and Western herbs that, number one, support the body's tendency to create histamine. So there's a Chinese formula that's called Xiaoyao Tong. It's also called relaxed wanderer soup. And it's a formula that in China and all over the world they use, particularly in the spring, because according to the Chinese, the liver really can, when it's overworking, can generate too much histamine, which is what we're reacting to with allergies. You know, the allergen itself should set up a little itchy eye or something. It's natural, it's an irritant, but the body reacts to that irritant as though it were a massive invasion, puts out a slew of histamine. So the relaxed wanderer part of the allergy formula really helps to neutralize that. And the other herbs in it, there's a Chinese herb, Shizinapita, which is the main herb used for hay fever and allergies in China. Osha root, which is a Native American herb, which I've been using for 40 years with my clients for allergies, and nettle. You know, and nettle is one of the herbs in herbalism that is universally prescribed for allergies. So this tonic, if you take it twice a day, can really help to neutralize the symptoms and set up the framework where you don't hyper react and produce histamine. So together with that, drinking plenty of water, there are some points that I feel when it's allergy season for myself, I use. And I think we've talked about this once before, but I'm going to demonstrate. There's 4 points that are called the 4 gates. Now, the 4 gates are the point here between the thumb and the index finger, and the same point on the toe between the big toe and the next toe. So I'm going to use my friend here, Charlie, and it's right on the foot. Again, it's the analogous point to the one in the hand. The one in the hand we call hoku, which means great eliminator. It eliminates the congestion. We use it also for excess thinking when the energy gets stuck in the head or for headaches. But for allergies, it helps to soothe and neutralize the congestion in the head. The one on the foot is on the liver channel, and it's called great rushing. What it means is it moves the energy that's stuck. And the 4 points together are the 4 gates. It's like opening the windows and the doors of the house and letting fresh air go through and move. Lastly, in addition, if you are sinusy, the point that goes well with this is the point on either side of the nose. You just massage them in circular motions, and it frees up the congestion. This helps to drain it. It's a little thing that you can do. It's helped my clients, I have to say, many thousands of them here in the Hudson Valley, and it can help you. It's simple, but it works. And I hope you enjoy all the benefits of the season and aren't dealing with the allergies that will prevent the full enjoyment of spring, the flowers, and the life force that is so available. So have a great spring. We'll be back in a couple of weeks and have something else to say. Have a great day. Bye.